So today I'm showing you how to make this really fun little box that is perfect to put a gift card in. So before I show you how to make it, let me go ahead and open it so you can see the inside. It just slides open very easily, just like this. Ah! You want to see that again? All right. So here's the inside of it. Perfect if you wanted to put a little gift card inside of there. I'm going to go ahead and push it halfway to closed. And it's filled with these fun little boxes. They just pinch shut. And then you slide them right inside. And slide your little box closed. So you want to see that open again? All right. You just slide it open just like that, and the boxes pop out. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to make the actual little boxes. All of the dimensions and the scoring guides and everything, there's graphics for you over on my blog. So go ahead, if you haven't looked at it yet, go over there and do all the cutting and the scoring, get that taken care of, and make this box and little band, which I'm not going to show you on the video. Go ahead and get that made, and then come back over here and you can watch the rest of the video and see how these little boxes are put together. All right. I've folded the whole box and I've creased those sides really well where you have the fold marks. And then what I do is I'm going to go ahead and put some red sticky strip down on here. It's this sticky two-sided tape. It's really, really strong, which you need a really strong adhesive to do this. And it also bonds immediately. So unlike a liquid adhesive where you'd have to try to sit there and hold it, it's going to bond right away. So you don't have to kind of hold it in place for a while. You could also use some tear and tape, most likely, but I happen to have this sticky strip on hand, so that's what I used. So you can see, plus it's kind of nice because it's got that red strip, so you can see where I have put that down on all of those flaps. Okay. So, and the 1/4 inch should be just the right size to fit on those. If it's not, I did a couple of these, I had to trim just a little bit along the sides. The other thing you need is a rubber band. So I have a rubber band like this. It's got some good stretch to it, but it doesn't feel like it's going to immediately break. Okay. So now the fun part is figuring out how to put this together. The first thing you want to do is you want to put your rubber band over one end, and it's going to sit in those little grooved spots that you have. Okay. So you can go ahead and set it there, and then take the sticky strip off of 2 of these side tabs. And the sticky strip is very staticky. And then you're going to fold the side up and kind of try to match up the edges, the corners, and stick it in place. You can go ahead and do that on the other side too. I can get the sticky strip off. Okay. And then just fold that up again. You want to try to match up those corners. Get your box as square as possible, and I missed. So pull my rubber band out of the way. And just get that right in there. There we go. So you can see how that is, and your rubber band is stuck inside there, right? You're going to take your rubber band, you're going to pull it, and you're going to do a loop. You're going to twist it, and then you're going to stick it over the other side. And you can see how that wants to just pull your box right closed, right? So this is why this gets a little bit tricky, because now you want to come back in and you want to do the same thing with these 2 sides. So again, kind of pull this open and get that stuck right from corner to corner. Okay. And then again on the other side. Go ahead and go from corner to corner over here too. if I can. Try to keep my fingers out of the camera lens there. Just like that, okay? So now your box kind of looks like that, right? And the last thing you need to do is to glue down this last side. What you can do is you can actually lay your box flat. Okay, and then pull off this tab right here. Pull off the sticky strip on that tab if you can grab it. Okay, lay that down flat and come in and just lay the other side of your box right on top of it. So now this is actually how it will lay flat inside the outer box, and when you pull it out, it's going to pop open. All right, so it just kind of pops just like that. It makes a nice little box. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to decorate the outside, and then you can see what it looks like at the end when you put it all together. We've done all that scoring and folding and gluing together, and we made those 4 little boxes. I went ahead and decorated them with the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper, so they all look super cute. And you should also have your little box bottom and the sleeve that goes over top of it. It's really simple at this point. You're just going to slide the sleeve, the little box back inside the sleeve. I like to put it about halfway. And then these little boxes, if you haven't noticed already, if you hit the right side, they pinch shut. You can see the rubber band inside there, and you're just going to go ahead and pinch it shut and then slide it in the box. Slide the next one in the box. I like to have the box halfway in the sleeve just because it makes it a little bit easier to close when you get all done. So I'm going to go ahead and put all 4 of those little boxes inside. They overlap just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and shut that up, and you're ready to go. You can send that to a friend for their birthday, maybe put a gift card inside under the boxes and really surprise them. All right, you want me to open it one more time? Let's open it one more time. It's just so much fun, I can't stop. Woo! All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.